Hello everyone, welcome into today's online session, Accountancy chapter number 1, Accounting and its Terminology. Okay, now it's time for the 8th topic, Users of Accounting Information and their Needs. So the books which are being prepared by the business, is being used by so many different persons for their own benefits. So what benefits will they get from my books of accounts? So first of all, the management. The management will come to know from the books of accounts whether they were working efficiently or not, whether the workers, the managers, the staff, who are working in the company or organizations are working properly or not, whether the goals which has been kept has been achieved or not. Before a year, pre-planning has been done. With the help of planning and controlling, they have tried their level best to achieve the budgeted figures, the estimated figures. So whether that estimated figures and whether the actual figures both are equal or not, and if there is any variances, then what are the reasons for the variances? They will try to find it out and will check it over and will try to control that the same mistake, the same variations will not be repeated in the future again. So it is helpful for the management. Second, the shareholders. Each and every company has to sell its shares, whether it is private company or whether it is a public company. As per the legal provisions, it is compulsory to give the books of accounts, a copy of the books of accounts to the shareholders. From the books of accounts, the shareholders will decide whether investments are safe or not, whether they should continue with the company, the investment which is made in the company, they should keep in the company itself or not, whether the price of their shares are increasing in the market or not, what is the efficiency of the company, what is the profitability of the company, what is the solvency of the company. These all informations they will come to know with the help of books of accounts. Number third is potential shareholders. Potential, who are just desiring to buy the shares of the company, just thinking to buy the shares of the company, they are called the potential shareholders. So they will think whether to buy the shares or debentures of the company or not. So their decisions are dependent upon the books of account. If they found it fruitful, yes, business is profitable, business is solvent, business has got the liquidity, then in that case itself, they will think upon investing in the business. Then comes the creditors. Creditors are the persons from whom we have purchased the goods on credit. If I see the opposite side from creditors' point of view, the creditors who are selling the goods to me on credit, so they will first check my books of accounts, they will check the solvency of the company. Businessman basically finds ratios. One of the ratio is creditors ratio, with the help of which they will come to know within how many days the company used to pay the creditors. So whether their collection of the dues is possible on time or not, whether the company is solvent or not, whether the company has earned the profit or not. So this all information they will get from the books of accounts. Then comes the employees. Employees basically they are not at all bothered about the books of accounts, but many times it happens like employees also check the books of accounts. Why so? Because so that they can get the information about whether to go for high salary or not, demand increment in the salary or not, whether to ask for bonus or not, whether the job is safe or not. So from the books of account they will get this information. Increment in salary will be there or not in this upcoming year, bonus will be given to them or not on the basis of the efficiency, and whether the job is safe or not. So this information they will come to know with the help of books of accounts. Then come my tax authorities. Different types of tax has to be paid by the businessman. Now and then they have to pay different type of tax. So the government is interested in knowing whether the budgeted tax is being paid by the company or not, and how much amount of tax is the company paying, what is the amount of profit is the company earning, Okay, what is the income, what is the expenditure, what is the source of income and source of expenditure. So these all informations will be collected with the books of accounts by the tax authorities. Okay. Then comes my customers. Customers come as the king of the market. If customer is there, then only business survives. If customer is happy, then only the business can survive. Okay. So customers will check the books of accounts and will see how the company is producing or manufacturing the goods. What are the ingredients being used? Okay. If the company is deciding the price of the product, then what is the base of deciding the price of the product? What is the cost of the product? Okay, so this all informations on average they will come to know from the books of accounts. Okay, because they are considered as the king of the market. If they are there, then the business will survive. Okay, so they also will check the books of accounts whether the product is harmful or useful. Okay, well, what is the purpose of the particular product? Okay, how we should use the product. So at the back of maximum products, how to use it is being mentioned. Okay, even you purchase Maggi, at the back it is written how to make the Maggi. If you purchase any electronic items, at the back of it is written how to use that, how to open the box. Okay, so these are all purposes they will come to know with the help of books of accounts. Next comes a foreign entrepreneur. Foreign investment, FII, foreign institutional investments. Okay, foreigners used to invest in the books of account in the companies. Okay, on the basis of the books of accounts. Now, just because of economic reforms, 1991, after 1991, liberalizations, rules has been made very easy. Privatization and globalizations. Any country can come to any country and sell their product. That's called globalization. It's an open boundary for all. So, foreign entrepreneurs will come to know from my books of accounts. They will decide whether the company is solvent, profitable, efficient or not. Based on that only, they will decide whether to invest in the company or not. The foreign entrepreneurs also with the help of books of accounts can decide whether to invest in the Indian companies or not. So many Indian companies are being launching in this lockdown period. Almost I have heard about more than 500 companies are going to launch their companies, that multinationals over here. Okay, so just with the help of the books of accounts, okay, they decide whether to invest in the company or not. Next come are regulatory bodies. I have written about regulatory bodies of SEBI, SEBI. Security Exchange Board of India. Security Exchange Board of India is termed as SEBI. Okay. These are the regulatory bodies. Regulatory. They used to regulate, they used to control us. So what does SEBI do? SEBI basically checks whether the company who is selling the shares in the market are following the guidelines or not. Okay, because company used to sell the shares in the market and collect the amount and then use the particular amount of the public and then run the business. So it is ultimately the loss of the public. So SEBI used to guide up. If this is the way in which the company should perform the duties. If these guidelines are given, you have to compulsorily follow this particular guidelines and then run the business. So regulatory bodies used to check my books of accounts and then they will come to know whether the business has followed the rules, regulations, guidelines given by us or not. Then come my professional bodies. Accounting preparers are professionals. Account preparer are professionals. CA. Okay. Accounting is a profession. So ICAI, Institute of Study for Accounting of India, okay, who is conducting different professional courses. ICAI is for CA. Okay. So this professional body is used to check whether the accounting done by the business, done by the businessman is proper or not. The guidelines, the rules, the regulations of accounting has been followed or not. This ICAI had made the accounting standards, principles, okay, where the standards and the principles which they have prepared is being followed or not. So they will come to know with the help of my books of accounts. Then come my researchers and analysts. These are the persons who used to research about the company's books of accounts, with the books of accounts. So what is the profitability? Is the company solvent or not? So they used to research about the company. why the company is earning so much profit here, why the company is earning the loss. As such reviews, you can, a movie when it releases, there are reviews there. So they used to do the same work. Researchers check the books of accounts, analysis, and they used to analyze that. So what is the profitability and what should be the profitability? Is the profitability good enough or not? Okay. What should the company do? Okay. What is the company doing right now? Which type of product is the company manufacturing? Okay. They used to go and analyze my books of accounts, and based on that, they used to help us sometimes, okay, for running the business more efficiently. And then last comes my government. Okay. Based on the books of accounts, okay, government is basically there for the development of the country, for the development of my nation. Okay. So government used to frame the policies for the development of the country. So they also need the records of the companies, how the company is performing. Is the company producing the goods, better quality goods or worse quality goods? Which type of goods is the company producing and selling it to the customers? Because ultimately customers are a part of the country. So developmental policies, whatever the government is framing or is going to frame, okay, so they also need the record of the businesses so that they can come to know this particular businessman is helpful for my country or not. So this way, there are so many others also, even bank, financial institutions, so many others also who uses my books of accounts. But here are the few which I have represented over here. Okay, they use the particular books of accounts for fulfilling their purposes as management, for goals, shareholders, whether investment is safe or not, potential shareholders, they want to invest, creditors, they want to know about the safety of the dues, employees about salary, bonus and job safety, tax authorities about the collection of different type of taxes, here I see, customers about the product and the price, foreign entrepreneurs, whether they will invest in my company, foreign companies or not, regulatory bodies, SEBI, controls the company, professional bodies, check whether the accounting standards, okay, and principles and norms made for the accounts are followed by the company or not. Research and analysis, check the profitability. What is the profitability? Is the company solvent or not? There is research on that. And government, for the development of the country, frame the policies based on the books of accounts. So these are the persons, these are the committees, members, okay, you can say, who use my books of accounts for fulfilling their own objectives. Okay. Prepare the notes. Based on that, I will be sending you the PDF and everything. Along with this, based on that, do write it on the books. Stay home.